How to delete extra toolbar in Chrome. Hi, in today's video, I am going to talk about how to delete or uninstall extra toolbars in your Google Chrome browser. Toolbars are a part of extensions installed in the browser. All you have to do is to uninstall the extension or change its settings for toolbar. Here is the step-by-step way. For example, when I open any website, I see this toolbar just below my URL bar. I don't need this toolbar and so I want to delete it or disable it. Every toolbar must have some logo or company name on it. So now I know which extension has this toolbar. Now it's time to remove this toolbar from my Chrome. Click on the three dots on the rightmost side of URL bar. Move your cursor to More Tools. A submenu will appear. Click on Extensions. Look for the extension you want to delete. Click on the Delete button to delete the extension. That's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel.